Should I buy or sell Apple? The report for Apple was first published on our website Thursday, January 19, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 18, 2023, our system ranks Apple as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.387. In this period the stock has had natural movements with a gain of 0.04%. This is an average return of 0.02% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock downgraded to sell candidate. No changes to the price of Apple stock on the last trading day, Thursday, January 19, 2023. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $135.21 to a day high of $135.21. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7% over the past 2 weeks. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $179.61, and the lowest price was $124.17. Right now the price is 24.69%, or $44.34, below 52-week high, and 40.74%, or $92.99, below all-time high August 30, 2018, where the price hit $228.26. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $138.12 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 13.38% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 21.96% and minus 11.55%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 15.69% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 22.76% and 0.83%. This equals a price between $104.49 and $136.40 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, J.P. Morgan set price target to 180. On Wednesday, January 18, 2023, Canaccord Genuity set price target to 170. On Friday, January 13, 2023, Rosenblatt set price target to 165. On Wednesday, January 11, 2023, Barclays set price target to 133. On Wednesday, January 4, 2023, Wedbush set price target to 175. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give P/E ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Apple. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $135.99. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $134.11. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 17, 2023, and so far it has fallen minus 0.537%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, by signal. Pivots, by signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, by signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, by signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. By signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see. Short moving average, by signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. By signal 77 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $134.51, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock during the last day. The stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.25%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 22.13. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 2, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $1.93. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $138.38. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $134.51, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 22, 2022, Condo Chris made an inside sell of 20,200 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 7,200 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 69,678 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 85,147 of common stock. On October 28, 2022, Maestri Luca made an inside sell of 14,274 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.582. In total, the insiders bought 2,701,461 and sold 4,100,985 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $130.13, minus 3.80%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 9 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 20th, we expect Apple to open down $0.173 and start trading at $135.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to